When it comes to charcoal grilling or smoking, maintaining precise control of your fire is key to consistent cooking. ProTemp 2 Plus and the Breezo Fan makes this an effortless process with an automatic air volume control system. Let's see how it works. The concept is simple. The ProTemp 2 Plus controls the Breezo Fan. So you can set a target ambient temperature on the ProTemp 2 Plus app, and it automatically adjusts the Breezo Fan to maintain that temperature inside your grill for you. Super cool. The ProTemp 2 Plus is equipped with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, allowing it to double as a power bank. Using the USB-C to USB-C cable included in the Breezo Fan package, you can connect the fan directly to the ProTemp 2 Plus. There are 2 USB ports on the fan, and you can use either one. With this setup, you don't need a separate power source, keeping your grilling station clean and super simple. To make it even easier, the right side of the port on the ProTemp 2 Plus is the power output port. Just plug in the cable between the ProTemp 2 Plus and the Breezo Fan for a tidy, streamlined setup. But if you're planning a long cooking session or your ProTemp 2 Plus battery isn't fully charged, you can connect it to a power source. The left side port on the stand is the power output. For optimal performance, use a 5-volt 2-amp adapter to keep your ProTemp 2 Plus charged and ready to go. With the ProTemp 2 Plus and Breezo Fan, you can consistently enjoy charcoal cooking with precise temperature control. It's clean, it's easy, and it's revolutionary. Happy grilling.